Hello guys, hope you're doing good today. My name is Loris Santi and I'm here for the Rock Algo team. So why are we here today? We're here today because when we are trading, we try to have a very nice investment strategy, right? We need a trading plan, we need something serious. And when I was doing it for my clients and for myself, I realized that I was very biased by my emotions and I didn't have a very systematic way of doing technical analysis. So that was before I found out about Rock Algo. So Rock Algo is an institutional investment trading software that can help you to better off your investment strategy. Especially because when we're doing some technical analysis, it's very time consuming, it takes a lot of time, we have to identify the support and resistance, sometimes we do mistakes, and this leads to huge losses. For this reason, I try to find out a way how can I avoid this bias, my emotion, and having really a hedge in my investment strategy compared to all the other traders, right? So that's where I found out about Rock Algo. And the Rock Algo, I will show you just right now how it can help you to identify just with a button, just with a click out of your fingers, and help you to smooth your investment strategy. So without further ado, I'm gonna share my screen. Here we go. So here, guys, are the two best setups we find out on Air Liquid and the gold. So as you can see here, I mean, it's a green with a plus. So if you go on the indicator and on the documentation section, so everything what has been told in the video, there is a summary of all of that, all the information in here. And here you can see that it is, when it's green, green arrow, it's potential bullish reversal in a neutral market. Whereas when it's green arrow with plus, it's potential reversal in a bullish multi-time frame market, right? So, and it's the same for the red. So on our two setups here, you can see that this is a bullish signal, a very bullish signal, which goes up and up. There is the bands. The bands are green, so it means it's a bullish market, and there is a buy signal, right? So here on the blue, if you go on the notice section again of the indicator, you will see that this is a potential reversal of counter trend market. So what does it mean? It means that this is where you would put your take profits. So you will take your profits and put it into your pockets, right? And here again, take profit till there, and there is again a bullish signal, right? And here on Air Liquid, it's a bit the same setup. So we are in a 1 hour time frame, and here we go. And here we go. We have a very perfect, really perfect signal with bullish trend, bullish signal here, green band support. So this is just an amazing one where take profits go here and here. It goes on and on, up to the sky in here on Air Liquid. And here we have again a signal, but which is less strong than this one. So this is really the one on this kind of setups you would consider. And last but not least, if you go on the setting panel of the algo, you select it, you double click on it, and you can see that here we have put it Bitcoin against USDT, so Tether, right? And we can see that there is a bearish trend and that the market is neutral, right? So this is the kind of information you would have on this panel. You will double click on the bands and you will have a number of different settings. So here are the styles. So you can basically just change the style of the uptrending label, the downtrends, etc. You can change all of that. Actually, for me, I don't really know. I don't really need it. Here you can change it if you want to, on which type of time frame you want to have a look to it. For myself, I just let it as default. But here, the settings of entry are very important. So here you see the box. So there is a small box here, and you will be able to change this. So for instance, I have Solana USDT. So you can currently see that Solana USDT is on a neutral market, right? Based on the algo. Then I have the euro against the Swiss franc, gold, and the German DAX, right? On purpose to is GR40. And one of the most important settings is this one, is intensity. So if I put 6 of intensity, and I just let the time to the software to refresh, you will see that there is way less signals. So there are very few. The more you put the lower you put the intensity on the software, the more signals there is, right? So again, if I go here, I double click on the chart, I go down, and I put 2 back, you will see that there will be, there will be way more signals. So these signals are also less trustworthy, but they give you more chance to analyze the market. So that's where you need your judgment and to see what's best for you, right? Be careful, RockAlgo is not a perfect solution, so it might lead also to wrong signals. So you have really to identify it. Really, it's an help. It doesn't take the decisions for you, right? So here we go. That's a bit the different types of, this is a bit the different types of use case that we have for RockAlgo. And then there is another one that is very interesting, and I want to still to explain it to you, is that when you go here on the alerts section of your TradingView panel, you can go on plus here, and instead of having your traditional condition, you can put actually RockAlgo as a condition. So for instance, if we take this one, you will be able to say, well, when RockAlgo has an uptrend signal, then we will put an expiration to the 30. So when on Air Liquid on a H1 basis, RockAlgo has a plus sign, so an uptrend sign, please send me a signal to IF to buy the stock, right? Here we go. And so when you will have created this alert, here we go, you see it's active. So if the next time the price bumps down and you have an uptrend, you will receive an alert. And this is very powerful, because when before you used to draw your supports, draw your resistance, and then trying to find out when to buy. I can't really focus on any stock. There are too many. I have to draw too many. You don't need to do it like this anymore, right? So you can just click it, create your different alerts you want to, and this will scan the whole broad markets, the stocks you want, and then let you know when you have to buy and when you have to sell, and you can really rely on technical analysis. So to me, this is a really game-changing. Doesn't matter if you're an institutional trading professional or if you're more a retail one. It will really help you. I mean, technical analysis is a really key point when analyzing the market, and if you combine this very carefully with fundamental analysis, I think you can have a very nice investment strategy. So basically now, how do you access RockAlgo, and how can you change your investment strategy tomorrow? I will just show you that right now. Here we go. So this is our website. It's a very serious one, so be careful. This is our website, and this you will see some of the examples I've explained it to you today. But basically, that's all the explanation. And here are the different types of packages, right? So you have basically three types of packages for three different types of needs, right? So the silver package, as you can see here, the silver package, you have access to color band, you have really access to all the functionalities of the software, but only for 6 months. And then it's a year, and then it's a lifetime access. So basically what I would personally advise to you guys is that do not go for the lifetime access unless you're very sure that you see the best use case ever for your investment strategy. You really see the need and you say, okay, this is gonna definitely change my trading, and I'm pretty sure about it. So what I would do for myself is to really take a year access. Why? Because it's very tough to have a good view on a 6-month basis, right? So 6 months is quite short. So I'm not sure you will be able to have, how to say, to understand all the use cases and being really able to play with the software. So for myself, that's what I did. I took a platinum year access. And then once after a year, if you see that you don't need it anymore, you can cancel it at any time. And if you want to go ahead and say, okay, this is really a game-changing thing, then you can go with the lifetime access. So this is really like the best use case I would advise. And of course, if you're on a budget, then you can go for the silver package, which will be, of course, shorter, but lets you the chance to have a try to the software. So once you have done that, so you can basically choose your offer, you can pay through Stripe, and then, well, what you will be asked is once you're registered, you will have to contact us and to send an email to support@rockalgo.com. For which reason? And we will need also your TradingView identification number. For which reason is that we have to give you access, as mentioned here. It's on invitation only. So you can call us at any time, or you can especially send all the information once you have checked out and you have paid. We will check our record and we will give you straight access in less than 24 hours to the software. So this is a bit how it works. Hope you enjoyed the video. My name is Loris Santi. I'm a CFA and Kaya candidate for level 2 in March. So hope my expertise helps you to better your investment strategy. I wish you all the best and see you on the trading floor. Cheers.